Hey team, it's John from Project Motoring. I'm here with Frank Bain from Model Q Motorsports.
That's right.
It's always good seeing you, Frank. It's been a couple years now. So, we're super excited. Model Q's been growing.
That's right.
Remember, you guys were a couple years ago, I don't want to say much smaller, but smaller than what we are now.
We grow every year.
Which is fantastic. If you guys don't know, you need some specialized product for your specialized items, like your helmets and your suits and everything. So I'll let Frank take us over about what Model Q does and why you need it.
Yeah, sure. We make cleaners for helmets. We make cleaners for all types of high-performance vehicles, and we're most known for cleaning race driver suits. So we've been able to come up with a special formulation to get all the petroleum-based stains, oils, greases, fuel out of the suit, but also attack that all-important odor that suits tend to get. So yeah, we're most known for our laundry detergent, but we do an excellent job of cleaning helmets, and our high-performance vehicle care is definitely changes the game at the higher levels. People understand that you don't have to run around with rubber on the side of your car. We can fix that.
I can personally tell you, I'm a big fan of the competition cleaner.
Right
I go through it a lot.
Cool.
Yeah, it takes that rubber right off, especially stickies. Tell me, what's the big difference between molecule and like traditional soap, and why do I need that?
Yeah, so we're a small manufacturer. So just like there's microbrews in the beer industry that are able to maximize the flavor of the beer, maximize the production, not worried about the massive volumes. It's the same thing we do. We source the best raw ingredients. We specialty blend everything ourselves in Southern California, and we're racers. So we came from this world, and we know the problems that are there, and we know how to solve them.
Awesome. So what is the formula? So why don't I want to use regular soap? Is there something in it, or what's the difference?
Well, the go-to in the past, before we came along with race suits, everybody was using dry cleaner as the go-to. Dry cleaner does a great job of cleaning things. However, most of the times you're impregnating your fireproof suit with a combustible. So it's kind of counterproductive to what you're doing.
Whatever chemicals used in that.
That's right. So not only that, it's pretty harsh on the material. It's akin to taking brake cleaner and spraying it on a fabric. So it takes the fabric and wears it down over time much quicker. So our solution, you're able to use it in a normal laundry machine process. Cost is way down comparing to the standard of dry cleaning. And yeah, just like the assimilation I made with the microbrew industry, we just source the best ingredients, so it's prolonging the life of your equipment.
Very cool. Now, it's not just about cleaning a dirty suit. You guys also have, or a piece of equipment, you guys also have protectants, right?
That's right, yeah. So the best solution for preventing any problem is making sure you got a layer of protection on there. So the standard that everybody I'm sure knows is a product called Scotchgard. It's been around forever.
Right.
Well, Scotchgard is great, just like dry cleaning, but it's very flammable. So we came up with a solution to prevent any soils from impregnating your suit, but it's got a non-flammable component to it.
So that adds like a little bit of a repellent, or just
absolutely. It's not a little bit. It's a lot of repellent to keep the soils from there, but also keeping that safety standard in there, so you're not getting a fuel splash on your suit and getting a hot spot somewhere.
Okay, so I got a new suit and a new helmet. So first thing I want to do is put some molecule protectant on.
Protector, yep. You start with a clean suit protector, liberally applying the protector, letting it dry. It creates this barrier for many of the soils coming in there. You go out to the racetrack for a 3-day weekend maybe. You're using our product called Refresh. In between your days, you don't have the ability to wash the suit. Refresh is going in and attacking all the odor on contact, so the suit's not standing up by itself.
And then just, of course, that's going to be compliant with not adding any combustible materials or anything like that, while still keeping it clean.
It's all water soluble, nothing hazardous, nothing ships as a hazardous component, and nothing flammable in there.
Well, that's great.
Yeah.
Tell me about, I know you guys have stuff for more than suits, your helmet cleaners. Obviously, we have the competition cleaners for the car, which I love.
Yeah, so on the helmet care side, there was sort of the same situation. There was a lot of home brews. People were using Windex here, or they were using another type of cleaner for the shell, and we just saw that there was a better performance solution for it and a better way to package everything. So yeah, we've simply packaged everything up. So everything's in a 4-ounce bottle, so it's easy to throw in a helmet bag. Keeps the interior of the helmet clean, keeps your visor, both sides of it. Visor cleaner for the outside, anti-fog for the inside, and either a shell and a matte finish or a polished finish, we've got a solution for you.
So and that'll won't be like a traditional cleaner that may be starting to dissolve or eat into the fiberglass or any of the material.
Yeah, exactly. So a lot of painted helmets, a lot of custom painted helmets. They don't have the hardest of shell baked into it. So yeah, you've got to be careful that you're not using it with overly aggressive cleaner that could degrade the finish of your helmet. So yeah, we've got everything built to that standard so that you're getting the best performance without having any issues with using it anywhere.
That's great. So where's Molecule going from here? We got all these great products. What's next on Molecule's horizon?
Yeah, so the core of where we're from, we're racers. We started here by cleaning race driver suits, but we're definitely not limited. We clean all types of performance apparel and technical equipment. Everything from yoga equipment to hockey gear to the tons of stuff in the snow space. On the tactical side, clean a lot of tactical equipment. So yeah.
Very cool. And all very tricky stuff that we don't want to beat up, or sensitive type materials.
Yeah, well, you make an investment in your equipment. You want to make sure that that equipment is always performing at its best, and that's what we do. We make sure that you've got the best care for your equipment.
There you go. So Molecule keeps you performing at your best, keeps your equipment performing from its best.
We keep it clean.
Keeping it clean.
There
Frank,
it is.
thank you so much.
Thanks,
really
Sean.
appreciate it. As always, you guys can check out any Molecule gear at projectnorthern.com. You can reach out to us for any questions. You can reach out to Molecule Direct for any questions. I'll be more than happy to help you. Frank's a wealth of knowledge. Thank you for that. And see you guys next time. Thanks.